If you are over 50 and the thought of starting exercise again feels overwhelming, this is exactly where I want you to begin. Not with burpees, not with punishing workouts, not with an all-or-nothing promise that falls apart in a week. If you want to check the workout resources, challenge, or support tools I recommend, I've linked them below in the description. A lot of women reach this stage of life feeling like exercise has become complicated. Maybe your joints feel different. Maybe your balance does not feel as steady. Maybe your energy is lower than it used to be. Or maybe it has simply been a long time since movement felt natural. That does not mean you missed your chance. It simply means the approach needs to fit your body now. One of the most encouraging things about low-impact walking workouts is that they give women a realistic way back in. They are approachable, beginner-friendly, and much easier to stay consistent with than high-pressure programs that ask too much too soon. And consistency matters far more than intensity at the beginning. That is the piece many women have never been told clearly enough. You do not need the hardest workout. You need the workout you will actually do. That is why walking workouts can be such a strong starting point after 50. They help you move your whole body, raise your heart rate in a manageable way, and build confidence without leaving you feeling defeated. And the benefits go way beyond weight loss. This kind of movement can help improve stamina, coordination, posture, balance, mood, and core strength. It can help you feel more capable in your body again. It can also help create the mental shift that so many women need, where exercise stops feeling like punishment and starts feeling like support. That is a huge turning point, because once movement begins to feel supportive, it becomes easier to return to it tomorrow and the next day and the day after that. And that is where change starts. A good walking workout for women over 50 is not just about marching in place. It can include standing core work, arm movements, balance drills, side steps, gentle cardio intervals, and simple coordination patterns that wake up both the body and the brain. That matters, especially after 50. Balance training becomes more important. Core training becomes more important. Coordination becomes more important. And building confidence in movement becomes more important. So if you have been tempted to dismiss this type of workout as too easy, I would encourage you to look at it differently. Easy enough to do consistently is not a weakness. It is often the smartest place to begin. Many women do better when they stop trying to exercise like they are 28 and start training in a way that supports healthy aging. That can mean walking more. That can mean doing low-impact cardio instead of high-impact routines. That can mean standing ab work instead of floor work if getting down and up feels discouraging. That can mean using a chair or wall for balance support while you build confidence. That can mean modifying movements and still counting it as a real workout, because it is one. You do not have to prove anything here. You are building back trust with your body. That is one of the most valuable things movement can do after 50. And there is another benefit that deserves more attention: mood. Sometimes the most important reason to move is not what it burns. It is how it helps you feel. Movement can shift your mood. It can calm your nervous system. It can pull you out of stress and back into your body. It can help you feel more present, more grounded, and more capable. For many women, that emotional benefit is what keeps them coming back. Not chasing calories, not trying to punish yesterday's food choices, just moving because they know they feel better afterward. That is a much healthier relationship with exercise. Now, if weight loss is one of your goals, walking workouts can absolutely support that too, especially when they help you become more active overall and more consistent week after week. But even then, I would encourage you not to measure success only by the scale. Success can also look like feeling less winded, standing taller, having better balance, feeling stronger in your core, sleeping better, having more energy, or simply finishing a workout you would have avoided a month ago. Those changes matter. They are not small. They are often the foundation that makes bigger change possible. And if you are restarting after time away from exercise, please hear this clearly. It does not need to be perfect to count. You do not need to keep up with every move. You do not need to look graceful. You do not need to finish without pausing. You do not need to match someone else's pace. You just need to begin. That is enough. Progress after 50 is often built by showing up imperfectly and letting that still count. So if you are looking for the best over 50 workout as a woman who wants something realistic, walking workouts are one of the strongest places to start. They are gentle enough to begin, challenging enough to matter, flexible enough to modify, and effective enough to help you rebuild fitness, strength, and confidence over time. If you stay with it, you may be surprised how much it improves more than your body. It can improve your day. It can improve your energy. It can improve how you carry yourself. It can improve the way you think about exercise altogether. And that is why I like this style of workout so much for women over 50. It meets you where you are, but it does not leave you there. It helps you move forward. So if this is your season to begin again, let it be simple. Walk, move your arms, engage your core, practice your balance, breathe, modify where needed, and keep showing up. Because you do not need a dramatic restart. You need a supportive one. If this helped, let me know in the comments where you are starting from right now. Are you rebuilding stamina, trying to lose weight, improving balance, or simply trying to get moving again? And if you feel like this approach fits where you are right now, you can check everything linked below. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you.